Hey there, Ryan here. We're going to go through question 4. Complete each Fisher projection for 2,3-dibromobutane for the indicated stereochemistry. So we're giving this butane molecule right here, and it's asking for RR23-dibromobutane. We have to figure out whether the bromine goes here or here, right? Does it go to the left if it's R, or to the right if it's R. And these can be very difficult to visualize. So let's look at this drawing right here. This is what Fisher projections look like when they're brought into the 3D world. So these lines going outward are actually kind of coming up like this out of the molecule. And then this CH3 is going downwards. So you got the two going up and then one going down on each side. And those will really help our thinking when we're trying to figure out R and S. So if we were to place the bromine right here and the hydrogen right here, what would our stereochemistry be? Well, if we took the molecule and kind of rotated it to where this is coming outwards like this, we would see a CH3, the rest of the molecule going down, the H coming up like this, and then the bromine going to the back. And that's not how we want it. This would actually be an S configuration if that bromine was going towards the back. So if we retry our drawing and put our bromine right here and our H right there, we get rid of this, and we took the molecule again and rotated it outwards, we would see that we have our CH3 and then the rest of our molecule, and then we have our bromine and our H going to the back. And if we label the priorities, we would see that we have 1, 2, 3, with our fourth priority in the back. This is going clockwise, so it's an R. So we could see that we're going to put our bromine right here and our H right here. And so a little quick trick to figure out whether it's R and S if it's given to you. Look, we have the bromine as 1 priority, this carbon right here as 2 priority, this carbon's 3, and the H is 4. So going this way from 1 to 2, it looks like we're drawing an S, but for Fisher projections, it's almost always going to be backwards. So if you go to from 1 to 2 in the counterclockwise position, or the S, it's actually going to be R. So keeping that in mind, drawing our second bromine, if we put the bromine right here, we have priority 1, then priority 2. It looks like we're going in the S direction, right, from 1 to 2. But like I said, it's going to be reversed, so this is actually R. So this would be our correct drawing of RR23-dibromobutane. And likewise, to finish the rest out very quickly, SS would be the direct opposite. It's an enantiomer, so we're going to put our bromine right here and right here in complete opposition to the other one. And then finally, if we see that this carbon right here is R, and this is asking for RS, we could put our bromine here and our bromine here, because this carbon right here has to be S, just like this one, where the bromine is on the left side. So that's basically how you solve these problems quickly and reliably.